Fantastic two-story home with an open floor plan, 9-foot ceilings on the main, and upgraded finishes throughout. Hardwood floors, a gas fireplace, and an oak staircase are a few of the features. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and contrasting shaker flat front cabinets. Generously sized bedrooms and lots of storage. The master bedroom has vaulted ceilings and the master bath has a tiled shower and garden tub. Oversized bonus room could be used as a fourth bedroom. Nice size screen porch, a huge patio, and a fully fenced backyard create a private outdoor entertaining space. The home exterior is made of hardie plank and brick. The flat lot has an irrigation system,